This is how you display the current file name extension associations on a Windows server. We will be using the Windows Server 2016 platform to demonstrate this. First, you will go down to your lower left-hand corner and click on the magnifying glass and type in CMD, Charlie Michael David, press enter. Now to view this information, you're going to type in the command ASSOC, ASSOC, Alpha, Sam, Oscar, Charlie. Press enter. You'll get a wealth of information displayed on your screen. Can't even capture it in my screen, I have to scroll up. But it tells you basically the file name extension and what type of file the operating system or the system in question associates that extension to. For example, let's see if Adobe's PDFs are being recognized. This machine, it does not have an extension associated with PDF. There's a PDPE, it would be right there. Let's see what things are being associated on this machine. Okay, it does know that a MID and MIDI file are MIDI files. It does know that MPEG is an MPEG, so is MP4 is MP4 files. This current machine knows that, given this machine has a very light load installed on it in terms of machines, in terms of software and software associations. It also knows that XML is an XML file. This is how you can identify if a file is set to a certain, by extension, it's set to a certain file type on your Windows server. You also have here TXT is text file. So that's how you identify if a file extension type is associated to any type of file on a Windows server.